In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can create and join a match here on Locked 2 on Roblox. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you had any questions, ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Now we're going to do this like you just spawned in. You spawn in a room that looks something like this. Go ahead and walk out, and what you're going to want to do is look around and you're going to see a whole matchmaking section down here. Essentially go ahead and run all the way down into this section. You're going to see a little elevator, and in here you're going to have question mark, question mark, question mark. You're going to have matchmaking and of course lobby as well. Go ahead and select matchmaking, and then you're going to have a few different options in this little tunnel right here. Run in here and you're going to see you have doubles, you're going to have ranked, tournament, as well as unrated. Unrated is 4v4. Ranked is 6v6, doubles is 2v2. Essentially choose whatever game mode you want to go ahead and play, and as soon as you do that, you are good to go. It really is as simple as that. If you guys had any questions, ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out. Let us know that you want more content. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.